Welcome to Oregon. It is a state of contrasts. From hundreds of miles of rugged coastlines filled with dramatic scenes out to the Pacific Ocean to some of the highest snow-dusted mountains in the United States. Today, we're going to be hiking the Indian Sands area. Situated near the middle of Samuel H. Boardman's State Scenic Corridor, it is a collection of crisp, windswept dunes, towering headlands, and thundering coves along the southern Oregon coast. Starting and ending at Indian Sands Trailhead on Highway 101, a brief but beautiful circuit combines the sunny sands with thick forest cover and the terrific ocean views throughout the moderately difficult hike. Come join us on our adventure to explore this coastal treasure.
Hello everyone, we are hiking Indian Sands.
And we're down here by a really nice arch by the ocean that we found.
All by ourselves.
All by
ourselves.
So nice. Indian Sands Trailhead is located in the southernmost part of the Oregon coast on mile marker 348 on Highway 101 between Brookings and Gold Beach. The hike is a short 1.1 mile hike with 282 feet of elevation gain. Park anywhere in the lot, but note that there are two trails that begin from this point. A wide southbound route after the entrance to your left, which leads into a grove of tall Sitka spruces, and a northbound narrow route which is quickly enveloped by the dark forest. These are the starting and ending points to the hike. Taking the southbound track, the trail begins in a mild walk through an impressive stand of spindly conifers with occasional ferns and salal dotting the ground. The modest descent, however, turns quickly into a sharp decline. As you walk out of the forest, you are greeted with the first view of the vast and mighty Pacific Ocean. Heading left out of the forest, you will follow this trail and soon come to an outcrop with views of the seaside natural arch to the south. Looking out west towards the ocean leads to a series of rocky crags separated by deep chasms where the swirling sea creates thunderous waves and froth. While Indian Sands was named by the early settlers, a geological dig conducted there by Oregon State University in 2002 found evidence of human habitation going back 12,000 years, the oldest such site on the Oregon coast so far dated. Pick a good weather day for this hike, as you'll want to enjoy the views and perhaps do some whale watching if you're in the area between October and March. The trail continues onward to the north. Follow the footsteps leading up the narrow track that hugs the scrubby hillside that runs through a trio of evergreen arches formed by the windswept spruces that envelop the sea-facing slopes. Ahead is the heart of Indian Sands, an attractive cliffside shelf of gently sloping dunes. Here, footsteps fan out in nearly all directions, and the main track is temporarily difficult to discern, but this is also a fantastic area to explore.
Hiking in sand is so hard. Huh, babe?
So good. As granola in the mouth.
No, I said hiking in sand is so hard.
Yeah, I could.
Not the granola bar is good, but I'm glad it's good.
After having the time of our life on the sand dunes, we trekked onward going north, dropping to a sandy pathway before heading towards one of the most impressive overlooks on the hike. You can see all the way north up the coast towards Thomas Creek Bridge, China Beach, Thunder Rock Cove, and the Natural Bridges area, although all are obscured by the jagged angles of the cliffs. Once we finished soaking up the view, a fog cloud started to come in, so we continued on our way. You will follow the path up that leads you through lush green tunnels of trees.
That was awesome.
Now ascending steadily, the trail cuts left and enters a dim, uplit gully. Upon hearing the highway noise up ahead, the route forks, head right, leaving the Oregon Coast Trail behind.
Mist rolled in. It looks like an Amazon rainforest.
No, it feels like we're not in Oregon. We're in the Amazon rainforest.
It's so cool.
In a few short moments, you will leave the dense forest and return to the Indian Sands parking area at the northbound entry point. We hope you enjoyed following us along on our Indian Sands hike. Be sure to add this location to your Oregon must-visit list. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel to see more weekly hiking video guides.